Real, everyday talk? Stop sounding robotic.
Okay, serious question. Why do English learners suddenly sound like robots the moment they start speaking English? Like, hello, how are you today? Bro, who talks like that?
Honestly, even Google Maps sounds more emotional sometimes.
Exactly. And the weird part is, many learners know grammar, but real conversations still feel awkward.
Because nobody teaches real, everyday English. People memorize textbook English, but real people speak with emotion, shortcuts, reactions, pauses, and personality.
Yes, native speakers don't sound like grammar books.
So today, we're going to help you stop sounding robotic and start sounding natural, relaxed, and human in English conversations.
And trust me, some of these small changes will instantly make your English sound 10 times more real.
So grab your coffee, tea, water, or whatever emotional support drink you have today, and let's do this.
Intro.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul, professional overthinker and part-time English learner survivor.
And this is your relaxing English podcast where you improve your English naturally through real conversation.
No boring classroom energy here. No scary grammar attack. No repeat after me with zero emotion.
Exactly. We learn real English the way people actually speak in daily life. And if you enjoy these kinds of conversations, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.
Because apparently that helps the algorithm feel loved.
It really does.
Algorithms need emotional support too.
Section 1. Why people sound robotic. Okay, Paul, let me ask you something. When you first started speaking English, what was your biggest problem?
Easy. I sounded like a customer service robot from 2007.
Give me an example.
Okay, instead of saying, hey, what's up? I would say, good evening, my friend. How has your day been?
That sounds like you're about to sell insurance.
Exactly. And people looked confused. Like, why is this man talking like a historical documentary?
And honestly, so many learners do this, not because they're bad at English, but because they learn from textbooks only. Textbooks teach correct English, but not always natural English.
Right. Real conversations are messy. People interrupt each other. They react emotionally. They shorten words. They laugh. They change sentences in the middle.
Exactly. Natural English is alive. Robotic English sounds too perfect, too controlled, too careful.
Mini practice moment.
Okay, everyone listening, listen to these two versions. Version 1, I am very happy to see you today. Version 2, oh my gosh, it's so good to see you. Which one sounds more natural?
Definitely the second one. It has emotion, energy, personality.
Exactly. So the first secret to sounding natural is stop trying to sound perfect. Start trying to sound human.
Section 2. Use reactions like real people. This changed everything for me. Reactions. Native speakers react constantly.
Yes, tiny reactions make conversations feel real. Things like, no way, really? That's crazy. Seriously? Oh wow, I know, right? Wait, what? You're kidding. These are everywhere in real English.
Meanwhile, learners sometimes answer like robots. Example, did you enjoy the movie? And the learner says, yes, the movie was enjoyable.
That sounds like a movie review written by AI.
Exactly. A real reaction sounds more like, oh yeah, it was so good. Or, honestly, I loved it.
Speaking practice. Okay, everybody, repeat after me naturally, not like a robot. Ready? Oh, wow.
Again, with emotion. Oh wow.
Next one. No way.
Again, no way.
Last one. You're kidding.
Perfect. See? Small phrases, huge difference.
Section 3. Stop translating in your head. Okay, this one is big. Many learners sound robotic because they translate every sentence before speaking.
Oh, yes. My brain used to work like this. Step 1, think in my language. Step 2, panic. Step 3, translate slowly. Step 4, forget the sentence completely.
That's exhausting, and it makes your speech sound unnatural because your brain is focused on grammar instead of communication.
Exactly. Real conversation moves fast. You don't have time to build a perfect sentence like Lego blocks.
So instead of translating, learn ready-to-use English chunks. For example, instead of building this, I am very happy to see you today, just learn, I'm exhausted, or I'm so tired.
Native speakers use chunks constantly, like, I'm down. I'm good. Sounds good. I have no idea. Give me a second. I'm on my way.
Actually, I met a student once in a coffee shop. Her grammar was amazing, seriously impressive, but every sentence sounded stressful because she was translating everything mentally. Then we practiced simple conversational chunks for 2 months, and suddenly her English sounded relaxed, warm, natural.
That's so true. Natural English is usually simple English, not complicated English.
Section 4. Real people use imperfect sentences.
Can we talk about something important?
Native speakers do not speak perfect English all the time. Thank you. Finally, someone said it.
People think native speakers sound like this. Hello, I would like to discuss my weekend activities. No. Real people say, dude, my weekend was insane.
Exactly. People pause, restart sentences, forget words, change ideas halfway through. That's normal.
Example comparison.
Robotic English. Yesterday, I went to the shopping mall in order to purchase some clothing. Natural English. Yeah, I went to the mall yesterday to buy some clothes.
Way more natural. And easier.
Funny moment.
One time, I tried so hard to sound intelligent in English that I accidentally sounded suspicious.
What happened?
I told a cashier, I desire nutritional substances.
You meant food?
Yes, I just wanted snacks. The cashier looked terrified.
Section 5. Use connectors naturally. Okay, here's another secret. Natural speakers connect ideas casually. They use words like so, anyway, actually, honestly, basically, you know, I mean. These make speech flow naturally.
Without them, English can sound too direct or stiff. Like, I woke up, I ate breakfast, I went to work. That sounds like a police report.
Exactly. Natural version. So yeah, I woke up late, grabbed breakfast, and rushed to work. Much smoother. Much more human.
Practice time.
Okay, listeners. Repeat naturally. So yeah.
Again. So yeah.
Next, honestly.
One more time. Honestly.
Last one. I mean.
Perfect. These little words create conversational rhythm.
Section 6. Emotion changes everything. This might be the most important tip today. Emotion. Robots speak with flat energy. Humans speak with feeling.
Even simple sentences sound natural when emotion is added. Compare these. I am tired versus I am so tired.
Or, that's nice versus, aw, that's so nice.
Emotion makes English memorable. And honestly, people connect with emotion more than grammar. Emotional encouragement moment.
And by the way, if you sometimes feel embarrassed speaking English, that's normal. Every fluent speaker sounded awkward once. Every single one.
Absolutely. People think confidence comes first, but actually, confidence comes after practice.
Exactly. You improve by sounding awkward first. That's part of the process.
Section 7. Shadowing like real conversation. Okay, Emily, what helped you sound natural in another language?
Shadowing, but not robotic shadowing. Emotional shadowing.
Explain that.
Instead of repeating words like a machine, copy the emotion too. The pauses, the reactions, the energy. For example, wait, seriously? Don't say it like this. Wait, seriously? Say it naturally. Wait, seriously? That's such a huge difference. Shadowing practice. Okay, everyone, copy the feeling. Ready? Oh, come on.
Again. Oh, come on.
Next, no way, really?
Again. No way. Really?
Last one. That's actually pretty cool.
Perfect. You're training rhythm, not just words.
Section 8. Small talk that sounds real. Okay, Paul, let's do a quick natural conversation example.
Let's go.
Natural dialogue example. Hey, how's your day going?
Honestly, kinda chaotic. I spilled coffee on my shirt this morning.
Oh no, please tell me it wasn't white.
It was white. I looked like a walking cappuccino.
That's tragic.
Yeah, and then my bus was late, so at that point I just accepted my destiny.
See, everyone? That conversation sounds real because it has reactions, emotion, humor, casual phrases, storytelling, not perfect grammar, human energy.
Section 9. Stop fearing mistakes. Can I confess something?
Always.
Sometimes learners stay silent because they're afraid of mistakes.
That fear is so common. But here's the truth. Most conversations are not grammar tests. People care more about connection than perfection.
Exactly. If your English communicates emotion and meaning, people understand you.
And honestly, native speakers make mistakes too. All the time.
Quick, funny example. I once said, I'm boring, instead of I'm bored.
Classic mistake.
And my friend said, wow, at least you're honest. Section 10. The secret of listening.
You know what helps natural speaking the most? Listening to real conversations daily. Podcasts, interviews, YouTube conversations, anything natural.
Because your brain starts recognizing patterns automatically. You begin copying rhythm naturally.
Exactly. Children learn language by hearing natural speech repeatedly, not by memorizing 400 grammar rules first.
So if you want to sound natural, surround yourself with natural English. Every day. Even 15 minutes helps. Final practice challenge.
Okay, everybody, let's do one final natural English challenge. I'll say a robotic sentence, and Paul will make it sound natural. Ready? Robotic. I am hungry.
Natural. I'm starving.
I am tired.
I'm exhausted.
That is funny.
Okay, that's actually hilarious.
I do not understand.
Wait, what?
Perfect. That's the energy you want. Simple, relaxed, human.
Outro.
So remember, you do not need perfect English to sound natural. You need emotion, reactions, rhythm, practice, confidence.
And honestly, the moment you stop trying to sound perfect, your English starts sounding real.
Exactly. Speak like a person, not a textbook.
Or a microwave instruction manual.
Very important distinction.
Final CTA.
If this video helped you feel more confident speaking English, make sure to subscribe and join us for more relaxing English conversations.
And tell us in the comments, what English sentence makes you sound robotic sometimes? We've all been there.
Absolutely. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and be proud of every small improvement.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Speak naturally. Speak confidently. Speak every day.